checking if it's streaming or not. Yep, it's streaming. So yeah, today I'm just going to talk about your Chrome extension and what the software your Chrome extension does. So basically, it does is like it creates your own Chrome extension within like your own Google Chrome extension, which you can upload as your own extension in Google dashboard, and you can just sell the extension as yours. So to create an extension, this we have requirements, and you can just see here that an awesome extension name, three sets of extension icons, which is like 60 pixels into 60 pixels, a primary extension logo, a short description of your extension, and a brief description of your extension. So let me go and create my extension here. So I'll just name my extension as your Chrome extension, and I can make the version as 0.1.0, and I'll choose the files. I've already created the files so that it's easy, and I can just use the same logo here. So Chrome extension. Extension. Influencer, and if you want to enable sign up for extension, you can actually enable it. So for example, let me copy and paste the, if you don't want to sign up for extension, you don't want to do it, or if you want to sign up for the extension, you can actually do it. So once everything is done, you just have to click on add, and it has been like the extension has been created successfully, and you just have to click on download. And so to make sure that you have to like copy this in a Word file, because this is very necessary when you're actually going into the Google dashboard, like Google developers dashboard, and actually uploading it, because you'll be asked to enter all this information. So then I'm accepting it, and it will take a little bit of time to actually create the whole extension process, because at the back end we have just made a process where it just goes in and actually goes in and updates all the name of the extension and stuff like that, the logos and all. So it'll just take anywhere between like a minute or 2 minutes maximum. So let's just wait until then. So but until then, we can just say that okay, this extension is you can use this extension. Let's say you have a course, or you have a so as you can see, just like download it. So let us go back and click on open folder. We'll just extract all. So it has been extracted 548. So let us go here, more tools and extensions, and if you actually see, you can actually drag and drop it. And as you can see, your Chrome extension is already done. You have created your extension. So let me go in and your Chrome extension. So right now this is an extension. As you can see here, like you don't have an account sign up, so this is where the sign up button actually comes in place. So if you don't want to have it, you don't want to have it, or if you want to have it, you can just click on here, and it'll just redirect to whatever link you have given it to. So we have the first step is like creating an extension, and it is done. Oh, okay, probably I didn't. Okay, thanks. uh okay, so I'll just go over it again, so that I think probably we just mismatched it. I'll just go here, Chrome extension. Let me create an account here. Let me create an account fast. Just give me 1 minute, guys. Just- um Let me log out and see. me sign in. So I hope now I'm visible to you guys. So let me go in and recheck it. And okay, so I think the screen has come. So as you can see, I'm just going on creating the extension, and I'm just naming it as my extension, the name, and the version is 0.0.0. And you guys will be, as you can see, that these are the things that you'll be needing before you actually going and creating an extension. So I recommend you guys to actually go and create a like a extension icon like in this size. So I'm just creating my extension and 1.0.0. Choose file, 16 pixels. It's the medium logo. It's the large logo, and I can just use the same logo, and I can just name my extension and the long extension. This is my extension. The category is probably influencer. And if you want to enable the sign up for your extension, you can actually enable it. For example, this is how you're enabled. Like you'll be seeing up here, like if someone, let's say that randomly some person is coming and like installing the extension, and if they want to sign up, they actually want, you have to give them a link, right? So you just have to click, like just have to create a sign up for the extension as well. So I'm just creating it and just adding it and just clicking on add, and the extension is created successfully. But you have to actually download the extension so that you guys can upload it to the Google Store. So before that, you have to actually see all this permission justifications and tab justifications, storage justifications, because probably you'll be asked the same thing whenever you're uploading into the Chrome Developer Store. So once you click on accept, it'll just take a minute to download the extension. And just give me 1 minute. I'm just looking into it so that, yeah. So with whom with whom can you actually use this extension for? And so you can actually use it. So if you have like a course or something like that, you can actually put like put your videos into the extension, which I'll be like going in and like talking about it. So it's like downloaded. Let me go back to the Chrome extension dashboard, open the folder. I have to extract it. Once I extracted it, say one my extension, you can actually drag and drop, and you can actually see that the extension has been installed here. So that's all it takes to create an extension. And the other process is to upload to your Google Store so that anyone can access it. I'm just not going to talk about it right now. So my extension, so this is the extension. So actually we have created the extension, but you're not able to log in, right? So the next thing is like you have to create a user. So let us create a user name, Pal gmail.com. Click on add. So once I'm added, let us go in and actually log in. And so 1 2 3 4 5 6 is like a basic like a default password which you can go in and actually change it. So as you can see here, there's no video available and there's no banner ad available, and you have like useful links. There are no links here. So what these are is that the first thing is that banners. So if you're an extension owner, which is like in the pro extension owner, you can actually create your own banner, like you can create your own banner ads. So you have to create your banner ads with the size of like 120 pixels into 350 pixels. And let me choose this, which I've already created. And you can also add your links. So what essentially it does is that once this is like added, you can go to the extension and you can see that you'll be getting the banner ads inside the extension itself, like it's automatically updated. So if a person is clicking on it, you'll be like directed to the link whichever you're given it to it. And the second thing is videos. And if you want to click on, if you want to add some videos, uh, partnership update, let me go to my channel and share and click on embed. And that is a video, you have to copy this video link, which is okay. Let me just copy it. And you have to paste the only this video link, not any other video links. And the video description is join the partnership. And you can also enable banner ads for the video and choose file. Also same thing. Let me copy the link and click on add. So the video is uploaded successfully. Let's go to the extension and actually see. As you can see here, the video is like updated here and join the partnership is being here. So this is how we can actually add videos inside the partnership. And the second thing is like useful links, which is like just like okay, um, partnership. I'm just putting an ad. I can just go to the extensions and anyone can actually go to the useful links and they can just see the other links. You can also add multiple links here and let's say program, and it will be like it's automatically updated. So it's very useful for you guys. Also, as you can see that if I have added a video, you'll also get some notification messages like here so that the user is being known about it. So these are like useful links here, and you can actually schedule a broadcast. So date and time. So let us check like a date and time, 12 a.m. p.m. Let us go to 19 p.m. So the time will be entered according to your UTC. So you can just label it new video release and watch this video to get new updates on this software. Just like add, and the user will be like getting the broadcast message. So this is like a new video release which you can do it. So these are the things which you can do with your Chrome extension here. And the other thing, like actually the reason for creating this video is actually when a user, like one of the users wanted to know if they how to create an extension user. If you're like, let's say you have a sign up page in ClickFunnels or any other pages, you can actually whenever they actually the user actually wanted to have like he's using like a ClickFunnels and he wants to, whenever someone is like opting in, they would, we have to create a user account for them. So that is the main thing. So to create that, you have to go to Zapier first. So first you have to have a landing page, like an opt-in page like this. It's like a simple landing page. It's like random landing page which I created. And you have to like go to the trigger, choose ClickFunnels, and choose a trigger. You just have to create a new contact activity. Click on continue. Choose your account, and let me choose the account here. Continue. It'll just take a few seconds to load up all the files here. So I'm gonna get Magic Zap test file. And if you guys want to know more about Magic Zap, we have it in the partner program, and you can go to partner.tfa.us to know more about the partner program. So click on opt-in and click on continue. Let's see if it's getting a data test trigger. Yeah, it has a data. Just click on continue. So second thing is like you have to click on webhooks by Zapier, and click on post, click on continue. And the first thing it will ask is the URL. So you just have to copy the URL. So this is like create extension user URL. So you just have to go in and click on the URL here. And what are the data? So required fields are the token and email. So you just, if you have the token and email, it will just create it. So I'll just go in and click on email, and I'll choose this email. I'll add another token, which you can just copy from here, and other fields, first name, maybe we'll just have the first name so that it's easy to understand. First name or first name is that. Let's just click on continue. Oh, we don't need to set up Magic Zap. I just the landing page name is Magic Zap. It's not actually Magic Zap. So that's just like this. That's a Magic Zap test funnel which I created before. So and test and continue, and just name this app as your Chrome extension. Your Chrome extension user Zap. And make sure to turn on your Zap. That's the most important thing. So the Zap is turned on. So let us go to the user list. It's already created. So let us say Naveen at gmail.com. So that's like once we created. And it's like thank you page. Zap is on. Let's just refresh. As you can see, Naveen at gmail.com is being created. So let us log in and log out. Log in and gmail.com. On login, and we are logged in. So, and if you want to suspend an extension user, you just have to go through the same process. And if you want to unsuspend an extension user, you just have to do the same thing. And if you want to delete an extension user, you can also do the same thing. So I hope this was very helpful in knowing more about the Your Chrome extension. So thank you guys, and if you have any problems with the software or anything related to the partnership or anything, you can just reach out to support@tfi.us, and we have a dedicated support team where they'll be happy to help with you. So thank you guys, see you.